I'm gonna show you how a country boy cook grits. The instructions is here on the box, but if you country, you don't read the instructions. I usually do 4 to 1, 4 cups of water to 1 cup of grits. And the first thing what you want to do is take your cup of water, which I'm just cooking for 1, so I'm gonna do a cup of water, and I'm gonna pour it in there. And then I'm gonna add my salt, add a teaspoon. Like I said, we don't measure stuff in the country, we just put it in. Then I'm gonna take a stick of butter. That may sound like a lot of butter, but that's the way we do it here. I'm gonna take a stick of butter. Once I put this in, I'm gonna bring it to a boil. And once the water starts boiling, I'm gonna take my 1/4 of a cup of grits. And you can get a measuring cup if you want. I'm just using my J. Harvey's Grill coffee cup. And you want to keep this grit stirred up every minute and a half, because you don't want lumps in it. And this takes about, once you get it in there, it takes about 5 minutes and it's ready. And as you can see, I'm cooking some bacon. So I call this my 7-minute breakfast. So I'm gonna take my bacon, cook my bacon, and the last thing I cook is my eggs. And once the bacon is done, if you want to, the grits get almost done, you can pour a little of that bacon juice on top of your grits. If it's bacon juice, but I'm not gonna pour any on here today. My wife don't like it like that. I'm gonna give her a little bit of my grits. I usually put the bacon juice here on the top. But this how I like my grits. I don't like it to be runny, and I don't like it to be too thick. So I want to be able to pick the grits up on my spoon and turn it upside down. And once I turn it upside down, some should be still stuck there to the spoon. Check this out. And that's it. That's how I like my grits. It's really simple to do. Now, I'm gonna take some eggs. I like my sunny side up, and sometimes I flip it sometimes. And put a little salt, because I'm using that same grease from the bacon. You don't want to put too much salt on it, because the bacon has salt on it anyway. So my breakfast is really done. So I'm gonna take everything out and put it on my plate and show you my 7-minute breakfast. This is it. And I'm gonna zoom down on it so you can see my grits. This is how I like my grits. I may want it a little bit more runnier than that, but this is okay. And my eggs. And usually when I cut it open, it should be running, and I overdid my eggs. But other than this, this is how you cook grits. This is a country's boy's breakfast right here. Thank you and have a great day.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching Welding and Stuff.